Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. I know you guys are looking for how to unblock the accounts that you have blocked in the past back days. So today in this video I'm going to guide you on how to unblock the accounts that you have blocked in the back days. So let's start the tutorial. Open the Facebook app first, then tap on your profile icon that is at the top right corner. And now scroll down a little and tap on settings and privacy option. Here tap on the settings option and now scroll down a little until you see the blocking option. Tap on it and you will see the block list of yours whom you have blocked in the past days or in present days. From here you can unblock anyone. That's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.